Honestly, creating high-converting ads is tricky. You need a rock-solid idea and a lot of creativity to actually stand out. Check out these ads. They're bright, playful, and totally customized to my personal taste, all created using my own custom Gemini Gem. This shows you exactly how powerful a gem can be. If you want to learn how to create your own from scratch, this video is for you. Hey everyone, Nova here. Welcome back. I've actually got some massive news to share with you today. You guys have been constantly asking for a full breakdown on how I create my gems, so I decided it was time to pull back the curtain. Today, I'm walking you through my entire personal process step by step. I really hope this helps you out. Let us get into it. Step 1 is all about gathering inspiration. The easiest way to do this is using NotebookLM. Once you're on the interface, just hit Create New. This is where we'll feed the AI our sources. You can upload PDFs, manuals, or even direct links to give the tool specific guidance. But for this gem, I'm going to have it do the heavy lifting by searching the web directly. I'm using a prompt to find proven ad ideas across every major industry, from tech to fashion. I'm asking it to break everything down by format, hooks, and even real-world examples. You can adapt the same prompt for any kind of gem you're trying to build. Now, to keep the data super clean and easy to work with, I'm adding a specific tweak to the prompt. I'm asking it to find examples already structured in JSON format. This method is a game changer for any model, like Kling, Seedance, or Runway. Once your references are in, you're officially ready for the next step. Now for the next step, we're heading over to Gemini. We're going to have it write the actual gem instructions for us, specifically for generating viral ad images and videos. I'm using a prompt that sets up a global creative director persona. It's designed to analyze a product, grab the brand vibe, and then output high-end prompts for tools like Nano Banana and Veo 3.1. Now, click the plus button here and select NotebookLM. This lets us pull all those references we gathered earlier directly into the Gemini interface. By linking your notebook, you're giving it a specific knowledge base to work from. This is what makes the results feel so much more accurate. This method gives us that first look at the gem we're building. It's the foundation that ensures every ad image or video prompt it generates is backed by real, proven data. Creating the gem itself is actually the easiest part. Just click New Gem, give it a clear name, and paste that output we got from Gemini directly into the instruction box. Hit Save, and just like that, your custom gem is ready to work. Now, the real secret to a great gem is testing and refining the instructions. Let me show you how I debug the output to get it perfect. Let's put it to the test. I'll upload this Fanta product photo and let the gem run. We're looking to see if the output is clean and if it's following our rules. Now, here is my secret for getting professional results. I actually use a second LLM to audit the first one. In this case, I'm heading over to Claude AI. I'm feeding Claude both the original gem instructions and the output we just got. I'll ask it to identify any weak points or logic gaps that might have slipped through. By using Claude to refine the Gemini prompt, you get a much more polished, bulletproof instruction. I go back and forth, testing the gem, letting Claude refine it, and adding my own tweaks. The more you test, the better your results will be. First, we gather ideas in NotebookLM and generate the core instructions in Gemini. Next, we link those sources to create the foundation of your custom gem. Then we hit the loop, test the output in Gemini, and use Claude to refine the instructions. The clips you saw at the start were all made using Kling 3.0 and this gem. Now you know my secret for all the gems I've shared before. This is exactly how I do it. And now it's your turn to go build your own. I really hope this workflow helps you out. It's been a total game changer for me. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.